Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Greetings to everyone and thank you for clicking on this video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. On this channel I do cleaning motivation, laundry motivations and grocery hauls. So today I'm sharing with you an episode of a laundry motivation. So today I am doing my laundry at my mother's place. We had quite few weekends in succession which were cold and rainy, so the previous weekend I didn't do laundry. It was raining, and this laundry I did it on Easter Monday, so I couldn't just skip this one. It was going to be too much. It's either I take it to the laundry shop or I do it myself, so I opted to use my mother's place to do laundry. That's why you see today I am having a luxury of doing laundry with a washing machine. And as usual, I have to sort out my laundry while I am filling in the machine with water. The machine is a 13 kg type of a machine. It's a Samsung and it's a twin tap. I'm sure you have seen me doing laundry with this before before moving out to my own place. And as you can see, I finally had 2 loads because the machine can carry a lot of clothes at the same time. So my clothes were not, I'm sure you can see, you can just mix them. They are just color like that, no whites. So I opted to have 2 loads with those colors and the dark ones aside. So now the machine is full. I am going to put in some soap and vinegar. I am using Sunlight washing powder. I don't know how you guys do it by measuring this the powder into the machine, but I just gauge with my eyes and we go. So my first load will be running for 35 minutes.
I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for.
On this 35 minutes of the machine running, the first, I don't know how many minutes, but the last 15 minutes is when it's washing. The first 35 minutes up to 15, it's when the machine is soaking the laundry. It's written soak. I am going to show you the buttons, how it works. As you can see, up 35 minutes to 15, down to 15 is soaking, and the other button there, these are not buttons, they are knobs. You can see how it goes. The other knob is for choosing your heavy load or just normal one, and the third one is for draining the water, and that's just that. So let's round in the laundry.
Tonight.
Meanwhile, while I was sorting the laundry, I filled the bathtub with water to rinse. I do not use the machine to rinse because I think it takes time, and for me to save time, I'm rinsing with my own hands manually, and I am using the bathtub this time because here there's a lot of water, guys, and the bathtub made me rinse my clothes so well. So after 35 minutes, that's when the machine stopped and the laundry was done, and I am taking it out of the machine to prepare it for rinsing.
forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me. Got me, got me, got me. Can I hear you? Got me. I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight.
This is my second load, which is the last one, consisting of dark colors. Normally it's pair of jeans and those black leggings and all that. So this one I made it to wash for 15 minutes. They are not dirty, guys. My clothes are not dirty. I'm just refreshing them. So 15 minutes was enough for those dark colors. And I had a black jean there, which the color comes off when it's in water. So don't mind the water becoming black, because there's a black material which the color comes off when it's in water. Now after rinsing this, I'm gonna go and try to spin dry them, but this machine is very old. The spin tab is not working, so I was just gambling. They told me it's not powerful, so I was just making sure, or just checking if really it won't dry them at least a bit, but it didn't work, guys. The machine is old. It was bought in 2011, so you can imagine 10 years later we've been fixing it more and more, but right now, as long as it can wash, I'm fine.
I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright.
So here, when I spin dry my clothes, I always make sure I fold them a bit so that they don't become too wrinkled when they spin. Like an automatic machine, they just spin, and when they come out, girl, you have to just iron them. But with this one, if you fold them, they spin folded and they don't get too wrinkled. And the maximum spinning time here is 10 minutes, so I am going to put it on 10 minutes. But before, when it was working, I was spinning for 5 minutes.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning.
The second load is done. Now it's time to drain out the machine.
Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
And I have rinsed all my clothes. It's time to clean the bathtub also. This is the remaining water which has been drained out. And guys, I'm telling you, I so miss the washing machine. Me doing washing with my hands, guys, it's so draining my back and my shoulders. So I am rinsing the machine now so that I can clean it, wipe it, and leave it clean. I'm so happy. You can see I'm giving the machine a thumbs up. Guys, my place is not far away from my mother's place. It's a 5 minutes drive. And I took all my laundry and I'm hanging it in my place. I'm no longer going back there because I have some errands to run after this.
Time to when things were easier before it got all complicated. Oh, just give me the strength to move on, cause I don't really wanna move on. I gotta do what's best for me. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark.
Thank you for watching all my videos. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos also. If you just joined me, please don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of content. And comment down below. Tell me what you think. Should I buy a machine and a generator? That's what I'm thinking, but I don't have space to put all that. And guys, I so really miss the soft life. But there is no sweet place like your own place. I am at peace, even though sometimes laundry can be a mission. So thank you guys for watching until this time. I really appreciate your time being on my channel. I will see you in my next video, and thank you. Bye.
We've got the